Yes, this is our cat. This is our 7-month-old kitten. We swear he thinks he's a dog. And we are throwing a Nerf dart for him. And he's actually playing fetch. Get it, Dante. Get it! He's not as dumb as dogs, though. He will not go after it if you don't throw it. Stay,